Be ready, start. A meeting of the association was held in the Asoka Hotel on 10th October 1972. Stop. The chairman extended welcome to the members to the first meeting of the reconstituted committee and expressed the hope that with their active cooperation, the committee would be able to render useful service to members of the association in the time to come. Stop. Shri P.S. Sharma, representing the association on the Industrial Advisory Board for Delhi, apprised the members of the discussions held in the meeting of the board on 15th September 1971 and handed over the minutes of the last meeting to all the members for their reference and record. Stop. Mr. P.S. Singh apprised the members about the deliberations of the seminar on development of Old Delhi area as the city center of Delhi organization by the Town and Country Planning Organization. Stop. After considerable discussions, it was thought that the proposed recommendations of the seminar, if accepted, would not only mean huge financial loss to the landowners in the area but would also create problems for finding employment possibilities for the large number of workers already engaged in the construction work. Stop. The committee considered the cases where the plans have been approved by the board and then landowners had taken advance money from the prospective tenants and necessary steps for completing the construction have been taken. Stop. If it was felt that the proposed move of the government for closing the building activities would have a further adverse effect on the already increasing rental charge for office accommodation in the area. Stop. Moreover, on paying such high rental, the office accommodation available is not satisfactory for running business activities. Stop. Stanza. It was decided that a suitable representation be addressed to the Union Minister for Workers and Housing, suggestion that instead of stopping building activity in the area, future planning should be done with a new view to extend the limits of the entire area so as to meet the increasing demand for accommodation for commercial offices, etc. Stop. In such cases where plans have already been sanctioned in the area, permission for starting construction should not be withheld. Stop. For the planning of additional extended area, the industry should be associated for formulating the proposal. Stop. It was also felt that the proposal for acquiescing the buildings in the area would not be able to achieve the desired ends. Stop. Instead, the building owners might be asked to provide for additional accommodation to cope with the resultant increase in production. Stop. It was suggested that members of the committee may meet the Minister of State at the earliest in the matter with our proposals for his consideration and suggestion. Stop.